In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a checklist in Microsoft Planner. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of everything in your workspace. Over on the left sidebar, click My Plans. This brings up the list of plans you have access to. From the Planner Hub or the left navigation, click the plan you want to work in. In this example, the plan is called Checklist Copy Demo. Now look at the top view bar. If the plan isn't already in Board view, click Board so you can see your task card laid out in buckets. Next, open the task that contains the checklist. In the Templates bucket, click the Source Task card. Here it's called Client Onboarding Template. The Task Details panel should open up. Take a moment to confirm that the checklist section shows your existing checklist items. Now let's start copying the task. At the top of the Task Details panel, click More Options, which appears as the three dots. From the menu that drops down, click Copy Task. This opens the Copy Task panel. Click into the Task Name field, then select the existing task name so it's highlighted. Now type the new name for your copy. In this example, the name is Client Onboarding Acme, so go ahead and enter that as your new task name. Keep the plan name set to the same plan, which here is Checklist Copy Demo. After that, click the bucket drop-down inside the Copy Task panel. From the list, click the destination bucket where you want the new task to land. In this case, it's the Onboarding bucket. Now move down to the Include section. Leave Checklist selected so it carries over. If Checklist isn't selected for some reason, click the Checklist checkbox to turn it on. When everything looks right, click Copy at the bottom of the Copy Task panel. Wait for the task copy confirmation to appear, or for the new task card to show up in the Onboarding bucket. Once it appears, click the Copy Task card, named Client Onboarding, Acme. Confirm that the copy task opens with the same three checklist items as the original. The Onboarding bucket now holds a copied task named Client Onboarding, Acme, and when you open it, the checklist from the Client Onboarding template is included, so the checklist was copied successfully. Congratulations, you're all done.